ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Samveda classes. Third language, English, class 9th, session 1. Proverbs. Confidence and hard work are the best medicines to kill the disease called failure. It will make you successful persons. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said these words. It means a dream does not become easy through magic. A dream does not come easy become easy through a magic. It takes sweet determinations and hard work. It means confidence and hard work is the main key of successful. It means called failure. It makes successful persons. Creativities. Can you name the animals which we see around in your life? Here, dear students, see. Can you name the animals which we see around in your life? Here, dear students, what is this? Here, see your around your life. See, here, this is a cat. Good, very good, excellent. Here, next one is, what is this? Here, I must say, beta. Here, this one is horse. Good, very good. Next one is, here, what is this? Here, see around your life. Here, see your picture. Here, this is a dog. Very good. Here, name some wild animals. Here, name some wild animal. Here, what is this? See your picture. Good, very good. Here, tiger. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Here, what is this? This is a elephant. Very good. Elephant. Next one is, what is this? Here, this is a zebra. Good. Very good. What is this? Here, see your picture also. Here, this one is gorilla. Good. Very good. Dear students, here, name some domestic animals. Here, once again, name some domestic animal. Here, domestic animal. Here, what is this? This is a sheep. Here, next one is, here, see your better picture. Here, what is this? This one is rabbit. Very good. Here, what is this? Here, this one is goat. Here, see picture. Here, dear students, see near about domestic animals. Here, this one is cow. Very good. Here, can you name some most of the common animals, birds and insects? Here, see better. Near about common names. Here, most common animals. Here, this one is dog. Here, this one is cat. Good, very good. Here, this one is ant. Good, very good. Excellent. Here, this one is hen. Good, very good. These pictures are common birds, animals and insects. Dear students, are you seeing in your area? Good, very good. Here, let us see the queen bee. Common insects. Chapter number 1, queen bee. Here, queen bee. Let us see what are queen bee. Good, very good. Now, open your textbook. Take your pen, the textbook and notebook. Here, pre-reading activities. The dog is a faithful animal. There are many stories and inserts which shows faithfulness of a dog. Very good. Read beta. Once again you read. The dog is a faithful animal. There are many stories and inserts which show faithfulness of dogs. Here, not only dogs, but there are animals, other animals also which are faithful to people. Like this, cow also is a faithful animal. Dog also is a faithful animal. Not only dog faithful animal, but the other animals also are faithful to people. Good, very good. See beta. Next paragraph is, if we are kind to animals, if we are kind to animal, show love towards them. Here, if we are kind to animals and show towards to the animals, they show their love to us. The animal shows their love to us in a different way. Here, next one is, the most I have read that some people domestic animals, even vigorous animals like tiger, lion, etc. Here, the most dangerous animals or wild animals also are faithful animals. Here, like tiger also is lion also is faithful to people. Here, even such animals does not harm if we show love and affections. It means dangerous animals, domestic animals also is faithful to people. We are love and affection. It means they do not harm if we show love and affections. Here, if we show love to affections, here the domestic animals also not harm. Okay, see better here. Here YouTube channel is ID are there. You see the story also is there. Here next here now we start the first lesson, class 9th, the queen bee. Okay, here lesson number 1, the queen bee. Good, very good. Better open your textbook. Here paragraph 1, explanations. Here paragraph 1. Here open your textbook. Here, very good, excellent. Better here queen bee. Once 3 brothers left that city in search of a job. They all set out together. On the way, they came across an ant hill. The elder one was about to pull it down, but the little brother, who was a dwarf, said, "Let the poor things enjoy themselves. Please don't trouble them." Here, see beta, read once again. Once 3 brothers. Okay, dear students, here model reading paragraph number 2. Here, see your textbook. Dear students, see paragraph number 2. Here, so they moved on and came to a lake where many ducks were swimming about. The 2 brothers wanted to catch and kill them, but the dwarf said, "Let the poor things enjoy themselves. You shall not kill them." Here, dear students, see once again. So they moved on and came to a lake where many ducks were swimming about. The 2 brothers wanted to catch and kill them, but the dwarf said, "Let the poor things enjoy themselves. You shall not kill them." Good. See beta. Here. See beta. Haimad. See. Here. Next. Paragraph number 3. Here. Next. they came to a bee's nest in a hollow tree. The two brothers wanted to light fire under the tree to kill the bees so that they could get the honey. But the dove held them back and said, "Let the pretty insects enjoy themselves. Yeah, I cannot let you burn them." Say beta, here, say good, very good. Here, paragraph number 4. Here, then the three brothers came to a castle. There they saw horses, people, king, prince, queen, and princess. Everyone was turned into stones. There was not a single man alive. At last they found an old man in one of the rooms of the castle. The old man led them to a beautiful table with delicious food. Okay, here these 4 model paragraph reading. Now we know about in this 4 paragraph. Here see a difficult word. See beta in your picture. Here new words. Here what is this? Here very good. Here Sumaya, tell beta what is this? Here anthill. What is this? Anthill. What is meaning of anthill? Here the anthill is a nest of ants. It means house of ants. Good, very good. Here what is this? Dove. Dove means what? Here dove. Dove means what? It means dove means a very short. It means what? Very short. Here trouble. Here new words, trouble. What is mean trouble? See here 2 person help. It means trouble. It means here problem or difficulty. Difficulty. It means here problems or difficulty. Here new words. It means write down. What is this? Hollow tree. No, see beta picture. Hollow tree. Hollow tree means what? Here hollow tree means having a hole in the tree. That means called is a hollow tree. It means having a hole in the tree. Here write down beta new words. It means what is this? Castle. Castle means what? Here yes, tell me beta. Castle means was fortified house. What is meaning? Castle means fortified house. Good, very good. Here what is this? Do you know the thali? Thali it means here delicious. Delicious means delightful food. Delightful food. Write down beta. Open your notebook and write down the new words. Here open your notebook and take your pen and write down. Very good. Here excellent. Here anthills means what? Anthills means here nest of ant. Write down beta. Here very good. Anthill means what? Nest of ant. Here next one is dove. Dove. Write down dove. Good. Here what is meaning of dove? Here dove means a very short or statures or short persons or short things. Here next write down third one is trouble. Write down beta. Good. Very good. Troubles means what? Here difficulty or problem. Here write down beta. Good. Very good. Excellent. Here next one is hollow tree. Write down fourth one is hollow tree. Here very good. Here write down Sumaya. Write down beta. Very good. Here hollow tree means having a hole in a tree. Write down. Good. Very good. Here fifth one is castle. Castles means what? Here, castle means a fortified house. Here, write down. Very good. Here, next one is delicious. It means what? Here, write down. Delightful food. That one is called delicious food. Okay, write down. All of students write down. Good, very good. Here, now, explain of the lesson. Here, open your textbook and once again open your textbook. Okay, very good. Here, lesson number 1. Are you here? Paragraph number 1. Here, open your textbook. Okay, very good. Here, paragraph number 1. Okay, very good. Here, see, paragraph number 1. Once 3 brothers left their city in search of a job. They all set out together. Here, the picture is given. Here, 3 persons or 3 brothers left their city for the search of a job. Here, he is also the brothers. 3 brothers also set out together. Here, see picture, beta. 3 brothers are there. Here, he left their own city and own village, and he searched for a job for another city. Here, and he also take a set out. They work set out together. They all set out together. Here, next one is next. On the way, the brothers went to search for job for another city, and on the way they came across an anthil. Anthil means what? Anthil means a nest house. Here picture are given as nest house. Here ant's house. On the way they came across an anthil. Here, see beta. Here, the elder brother was about to pull it down. The elder brother was pull it down, but the little dog, the small or little dog stopped and told not to trouble them. Here, not to trouble them to ants hill. It means the elder brother, one was about to pull it. Here, pull it down, but the dove, a little dove, stopped and told not to trouble them. Not to trouble them. Here, next, and so they move on and came to a lake. Here, where many ducks were swimming in it. Here, they move on. The 3 brothers move on. Here, to move on and came to a lake where many ducks were swimming in it. Here, what is this? The ducks swimming in a lake. Here, and here 2 brothers wanted to catch and kill them. Here, the elder brothers wanted to catch and kill them. Here, for duck. Here, but once again the dove again stopped them and asked not to kill dogs. Here, once again the dove stopped and asked not to kill ducks. Here, and next they came to the bee's nest in a hollow tree. Here, next the 3 brothers move on. Next they came to the bee's nest in a hollow tree. Here, the 2 brothers wanted to light fire. The elder brothers was Dwarf's elder brother was light fire under the tree to kill bees, and so that could get the honey. The elder brothers wanted to here kill the bees and get the honey. But once again, here the dwarf held them back, asking not to kill the bees, not to kill the bees. Here once again, and he moved on. Then the three brothers came a castle once again, and they move again. Here, then the three brothers came a castle. They saw houses, horses, people, king and queen and princess. Everyone was turned into stone, and they move on. Here they move on, and came a castle. They saw a horses, people, king, princess and queen and princess. Everyone was turned into stones. Here, at last they found an old man and led them a beautiful table with delicious food. Here in castle, they found an old man. Here three brothers was found in the castle in a old man, and the old man laid a beautiful table with delicious food. The old man was arranged a delicious food for three brothers. Here he was delicious means here delightful food. It means here. Next, here dear students, it's time to give a little break to the lesson. Later we continue it in a second sessions. Now hereafter we study about the structures of a sentence and constructed forms. Here dear student, are you understand these 4 paragraphs? Okay, very good. Next, open your notebook. Here open your notebook and pencil. Here arranging the words to make meaningful sentence. Write down beta. Here, good, very good. Here Fatima beta, open your notebook. Here write down, arrange the words to make meaningful sentence. Okay, open your notebook. Okay, very good. Here, what is meaning of sentence? A group of words which gives proper meaning is called a sentence. Write down. Okay, Anas. Okay, write down beta. Okay, a group of words which gives proper meaning is called a sentence. Okay, write down. Good, very good, excellent. Here, structure of the assertive sentence. What is structure? Subject plus verb and object of phrases, etc. is a sentence. This one is called is a sentence. Subject plus verb or plus object of phrases or etc. is called is a sentence. Okay, very good. Here, example. Here, 1 / the elder was / to / pull / it / down / about. Rearrange the sentence. Rearrange this one is sentence. Okay, very good. Here once again. Okay, make a sentence. Okay, very good. Here, yes, very good. Okay, C, answer. Here, the elder one was about to pull it down. Here, make a sentence. It means the elder one was about to pull it down. Okay, very good. Okay, Tasneem, very good. Are you writing now? Yes, very good. Here, next one is, second one is, stone / marble turn was he into. Okay, very good. Rearrange the sentence. Okay, right. Good, very good. Okay, Write down beta. Good, very good. Excellent. Here. Okay. Are you writing now? Yes, very good. Excellent. Okay. Write down. Here, he was turned into stone marble. Here, he was turned into stone marble. Good, very good. Here, very good. Excellent. Are you writing? Okay. Good, very good. Here, next one is, here, constructed form of the certain words. Constructed. Here, short form of the, here, certain words. Okay. Good, very good. Write down beta, constructed form of the certain words. Good, very good. Write down. Okay. Here, in formal talks and writing, we can use these constructed form, but these are used to construct the language. Here, so here are the list of constructed form used in the lesson. Good, write down. Here, in the formal talks or writing, formal talks and writing, we can use these constructed forms, but these are used to construct the language. So, here are the list of constructed forms used in the lesson. Okay, write down beta. Okay, here constructed form of the certain words. What is this? First one is what is. Here, okay, what is this? How to write? Words. First of yes, words. What is words? Okay, write down beta. Next one is, here, they had. Okay, they had. Second one is they had. Write down. Here, they had. Next, third one is we are. Here, we are. Okay, write down beta. Okay, very good. Here, we are. Here. Next, write down. Here, will not. Here, write down. Will not. Here, write. Here, will not. It means won't. Next, they are. Here, okay, write down beta. Good, very good. Here, they are in a short form also. Here, next, did not. Here, write down beta. Good, very good. Didn't. Here, there are many constructed here form of words are there. Here, etc. Write down. Here. Okay, right, very good. Here, completed. Okay, very good. Here, next one is evaluation. Here, close your books and a notebook. I have asked some questions. Here, write down beta. Ask some questions. Here, how many brothers left their city in search of jobs? Here, how many? Okay, Hamad. Okay. Yes, very good. Here, how many brothers left their city in search of jobs? Here, okay, answer. Answer is the 3 brothers left their city in search of jobs. Here, right answer. Sumaya, okay, very good. Right answer. Yours answer is right. Good, very good. Here, next question is, which brothers was about to pull an untils down? Here, okay, right beta, dear friends, okay, right, very good. Here, which brother was about to pull an until down? Okay, answer is the elder brothers was about to pull an until down. Okay, very good. The elder brother was about to pull an until down. Okay, very good. Here, next one is, Who stopped to catch and kill the ducks? Here, dear students, here, listen carefully. Here, who stopped to catch and kill the ducks? Okay, very good. The dove stopped to catch and kill the ducks. Good, very good. The dove stopped and catch and kill the ducks. Very good. Here, next one is, how did two brothers plan to kill the bees? How did, listen carefully, here, how did two brothers plan to kill the bees? Here, dear students, tell me. Okay, right, very good. Here, the two brothers plan to kill. It means the dolphins' elder brothers to plan to kill the bees' nest. Bees lighting fire under the tree. Here, the two brothers planned, but the dove was saved. Dove for the saved. Here, next. Here, are you understand this lesson? I can give some assignments here to our homework. Write the qualities of dove. Here, write down beta. Next class we will check. Here, they write the qualities of dove. Here, and list out another constructed words used in the test book. Write down beta. Okay, very good. Here, next, the qualities of dove. Write the qualities of dove. Here, list out another constructed words used in the test book. Very good. Okay, thank you all for watching. Here, thank you very much.